Today in Claymation Club, we are going to be creating a stop motion video using our name. So it's up to you on how you want to design your name in your stop motion video. The materials you will have today to use is a blank piece of paper. You will have crayons to use and you will have markers. I wouldn't use Sharpie because this paper is quite thin and it's going to bleed through and go onto our table. So stick with markers and crayons for today. I wouldn't use pencil only because we won't be able to see it that well in your stop motion video. So starting off, get your iPad ready on the stop motion app. Remember, it has a blue app picture or thumbnail, and you want to make sure you click on new movie. And each time you do something different to your drawing, you're going to make sure that you snap a photo of your artwork. So I'm going to start with my name, and I'm actually going to write my letters in block letters to make it a little bit creative and unique. Remember, you can make yours different. And after I've drawn one letter, I'm actually going to take a photo with my iPad. And make sure you kind of focus and make sure it's not blurry. And I'm focusing really on just the paper. I'm not trying to get the table in the background, but just my letter. And when you hit the red button, it will take a photo and it will show up here at the bottom. Now I'm going to create my next letter in my name, which is S. And I'm going to repeat the same steps for each letter in my name. Now remember, if you don't like a photo, you can tap on the picture at the bottom and it'll give you options to delete it. I've created my letters and I've even added a pattern inside using lines and patterns of colors. And you have a lot of space around your name, so kind of personalize it. Think of maybe your favorite animal that might be drawn near your name, or maybe a favorite food, or maybe you're just adding a design near the near your name. So I just finished designing my name and adding some creative details to the background, and I documented every step that I did or every change that I did to my artwork. And in the stop motion app, if you look, I have 25 images that I took. So scrolling back all the way to the beginning, if you press the play button, it'll play your video back. And you can see that I documented all of my changes that I made to my artwork. When you're finished watching it, hit the stop button. And if you have extra time, you can create a different drawing if you would like to on a separate piece of paper. Please make sure that we're using our iPads appropriately. At the end of Claymation Club today, please return your iPads back safely into the pink bucket.